Okay, welcome back to the class, dear students. So the preparation of phenols in that first method is what here from haloarenes, that is commonly known as what a dose process. So an example for haloarenes we can take chlorobenzene. An example is what here chlorobenzene. So you can ask the question here. Haloarenes are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction that we have discussed in the chapter called as haloalkanes and haloarenes. So though these are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, but we can also prepare the corresponding phenols. So the phenols are prepared by the haloarenes under drastic conditions. So that is, so this haloarene or water chlorobenzene is treated with water alkali solution, that is water sodium hydroxide at the conditions of water 623 Kelvin temperature under the pressure of water 320 atmospheric pressure. There is a formation of water, the corresponding sodium phenoxide. So this compound is called as what here? Sodium phenoxide. This is what is sodium and this is what here? Phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. So here haloarenes or chlorobenzene on treatment with the sodium hydroxide at the temperature of 623 and under the pressure of water 320 atmospheric pressure, there is a formation of what? Sodium phenoxide, which is followed by acidification. Which is what here? Followed by acidification. In the presence of, you can take water, HCl as an acid, and what is the formation takes place here? The corresponding compound phenol. With the elimination of what takes place here? NaCl. Right? So this is called as what here? Phenol. And the method is known as what here? Dose process. Explanation you can write here. Chlorobenzene on treatment with sodium hydroxide under the temperature of 623 and under the pressure of 320 atmospheric pressure forms a sodium phenoxide, which is on acidification in the presence of an acid. There is a formation of what here? Phenol, and the process is known as what here? Dose process. And second method for the preparation of what here? Phenols is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. You know the what here? The formula of benzene sulfonic acid, right? So the preparation of phenols by the help of benzene sulfonic acid involves what? Simple method here. So first we have to treat the corresponding benzene with what here? Oleum. Oleum. I think you know the composition of oleum is what here? H2S2O7. H2S2O7 is commonly called as what here? Oleum. So when benzene is treated with oleum, so there is a formation of what here? Benzene sulfonic acid. So that is benzene sulfonic acid. You know the water function group of sulfonic acids is SO3H. So this compound is called as what here? Benzene sulfonic acid. So this benzene sulfonic acid on treatment with water excess of sodium hydroxide. So when this benzene sulfonic acid is on treatment with water excess of sodium hydroxide, there is a formation of what here? The corresponding compound called as sodium phenoxide. ONA is called as what here? Sodium phenoxide. So this compound is what? Sodium phenoxide. So this sodium phenoxide on acidification, this sodium phenoxide and what here? On acidification, there is a formation of what? The expected product called as what here? Phenol. The expected product is what here? Corresponding compound phenol. Right? So this method is what here? From benzene sulfonic acid. You know the structures here. Benzene on treatment with what here? Oleum. Benzene on treatment with oleum forms what here? Benzene sulfonic acid. So this benzene sulfonic acid on treatment with what? Excess of sodium hydroxide. So sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid reacts with excess of sodium hydroxide, forms what here? sodium phenoxide with the elimination of sodium sulfide Na2SO3. Sodium sulfide with the formation of what is sodium phenoxide. So this sodium phenoxide on acidification will get what the corresponding compound called as phenol, right? It is another method for the preparation of what here? Phenols. And let us go for the what? Next method for the preparation of what here? Phenols. So the third method for the preparation of phenols is the method is what here? From diazonium salts. You know what are diazonium salts in the what first chapter of organic chemistry, right? I think in that chapter you have discussed about what the reaction called as Sandmeyer's reaction. So Sandmeyer's reaction was a method for the preparation of what is haloarenes by the help of aniline. So where aniline on treatment with what a nitrous acid. So this nitrous acid is what obtained from the mixture of sodium nitrite and then what is HCl at the room temperature, right? So here the same method we have to follow here. So diazonium salts. So first aniline. You know the formula of aniline. So this compound is called as what here? Aniline. Aniline on treatment with what here? Nitrous acid. So that nitrous acid is obtained from what here? Sodium nitrite plus what here? HCl. Under the condition of what here? Room temperature 273 Kelvin temperature. What is the formation takes place? The compound called as what? Diazonium salt. That is. So this is called as diazonium salt. We can simply say BDC. BDC is called as what? Benzene diazonium chloride, right? So this benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt on warming with water, right? So this diazonium salts on warming with water, we will get the corresponding compound called as what here? Phenols. So this compound is called as what here? Phenol with the elimination of what here? Nitrogen gas and with the elimination of what here? HCl. So this is called as what here? Phenol. Right? So here, what we are preparing here? We are preparing phenol by the help of what here? Diazonium salts. That is called as what? BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. So here, first aniline on treatment with what here? Nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is called as what here? HNO2. HNO2 is what? The product of reaction between sodium nitrate NaNO2 and then what? HCl. So here hydrogen and NaNO2 combines together. HNO2 formation takes place with the liberation of what? NaCl. So this aniline reacts with nitrous acid, forms what here? Benzene diazonium chloride. So this benzene diazonium chloride on warming with water, we will get the compound called as what? Phenol, right? So another method for the preparation of phenols. So that is one of the important method. That is fourth one, from cumin. From cumin. So cumin is a what here? Common name or what? So cumin is a what a name of compound called as what here? Isopropyl benzene. So cumin is the name of what here? Compound called as isopropyl benzene. So isopropyl benzene and then what here? CH3 and then what here? CH3. So this compound is called as what here? Isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene, or we can also call it as what here? Cumin. Right? So this cumin on oxidation in the presence of what? Air. So what we have to do here? So we have to what? Oxidize the corresponding the compound called as isopropyl benzene. On oxidation, this cumin forms a corresponding what? Cumin hydroperoxide. The compound becomes as what here? Cumin hydroperoxide. So that can be written as CH3 O and then what? H. So this compound is commonly called as what here? We can call it as cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. So which is on hydrolysis? Which is on what here? Hydrolysis, and there is a formation of the corresponding compound called as, the product is what here? Phenol. The product called as what here? Phenol. with the formation of a byproduct, very much important product called as what is acetone, CH3COCH3, right? So this compound is called as what here? Phenol, and this is called as what here? Acetone. So here, so elimination of what takes place here, and a compound called as what? Acetone, CH3COCH3. So that is called as what? Acetone. And what is the formation takes place? This OH group attaches to the what? This carbon atom. So therefore this compound becomes as what? Phenol. And this method is what? Preparation of phenol from cumin. So this is one of the important method in this chapter. So how it is prepared? Cumin or isopropyl benzene is first on oxidation. It is on oxidation with the help of what? Air or in the presence of oxygen. What is the formation takes place here? Cumin hydroperoxide. So this cumin hydroperoxide on hydrolysis, what we are going to get here? The compound called as phenol with the elimination of byproduct. That byproduct is also one of the important product called as what? Acetone, right? So these are the what here? Some methods for the preparation of what here? Phenols. We have discussed what here? From haloarenes. From haloarenes is commonly called as what? Dow's process. And the second method is what? From benzene sulfonic acids. And the third method is what here? From diazonium salts. And another method for the preparation of phenols is what here? From cumins, right? So let us move on to the what here? What actually the structure resembles. What actually structure of phenols and how it is compared with another compounds. And after that we will move on to the what? The properties of phenols.